Good morning, students. Today we are doing chapter 14 factorization. Exercise 14.1 we are starting here. And already in live class I have explained about factorization, and those students who have not attended live class, please attend the live class. It is very important because we are doing same chapter factorization on portal and live class also, so it is compulsory to attend the live class. In live class I will explain this chapter only, and we will do on portal same chapter, so it is very beneficial for you. So see, factors of natural number. Here you know what do you mean by factors. Suppose one one natural number 36 is given. How we factorize it? See, 36 means 2. We will start with table of 2 and we will move next. 2 into 18, then next number 3 into 6, and 4 into 9. In table of 5, 36 is not come, so we will take 6 into 6, then next 8. In table of 8, 36 is not there, so we will take 9 into 6. And where the numbers are repeated, 4 into 9 and 9 into this is 9 into 4, not 9 into 6. Okay, this is 9 into 4. Here repeated 4 into 9 and 9 into 4. We will stop the factorization here and see the factors from here to here. Don't repeat the number 2, 3, 4, 6, 9 when this and 18. These are the factorization. These numbers are repeated here, so we will not take same number again and again. And the factors are 2, 3, 4, 6, 9 and 18. These are the factors of 36. These numbers are called factors. In table of 2, 3, 4, 6, 9 and 18, 36 will come. Okay. Factors of algebraic expression. Here this algebraic expression 5xy plus 3x is given. See, these are the factors 5x and y. These are the factors of 5xy. And here 3 and x are the factors of 3x. We are saying this x is common between 2. We will take x as common and 5y plus 3 is left. So the factorization of this algebraic expression is x in bracket 5y plus 3. Now factorization by regrouping term. We will regroup the terms. See, 2xy plus 2y. This is also the factors are this, and this is called 2y x plus 2. This is the factorization. Now take one more example. Here x 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x to the power 4. We are factorize each term. This term 10x square. These are the factors of this. 18x cube. This is 2 into 3 into 3 into x into x into x. This 2 into 7 into x comes 4 times. So these are the factors of these three terms. And we are seeing here 2x square is common. 2x square is common in each terms. We will take as common, and rest these factors are remaining, so we will take with sign. And this is called factorization of this expression. So now we will start exercise. This exercise 12.1. No, 14.1. Sorry. Now take question number 1. Find the common factors of the given terms. These terms are given 12x and 36. We will factorize it. And what are the common factors here? The common factors are this 3 into this 12, and here also 3 into 12 means this 12 is common factor of these two, between these two terms. Here see, I have solved this 2y plus 2y and 22xy. The factors are this, and we are saying 2y is common in both terms. Here also first factorize and then see which is common. Here no terms common, so we will take only one is common. Here see, factorize it. All three terms factors are, these terms are this, and we are seeing here 6ab is a common term. common factor, sorry. Here again these terms, we will take 3 terms and factorize it. At last we are finding this common factors are 4x. Here see, in this question 10 PQ means 2 into 5 PQ, 20 QR, 2 into 2 into 5 QR, and sorry, 30 RP means 2 into 3 into 5, 5 to the 10, 3 the 30, 30 into R into P, common factor 10. Sorry, 2 into 2 is here common, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5, so 2 5s are 10 is common factor. Now come, so here we have completed this question number 1. Question number 1, question number 8 and 3 is do as homework. So complete this question number 1 in your copy. Do very neat work. Good day.